Hello everyone, welcome to watch tutorial video of Skmei 1155B. Today I will guide you the easiest way to set time and date in this watch, as well as I will help you to sync analog and digital time together. But before moving to the video, if you are new in this channel, please do subscribe. Now let's get started. Now the very first step to set time and date in this Skmei 1155B watch is you have to verify whether you are in timekeeping mode or not. For example, if I press left side down button, you can see here different format like stopwatch. This is another function. As you see here, if you continue pressing it, it will show time in this way. So this is timekeeping mode. Once you are here, simply press left side down button once, twice and thrice. Here you can see the seconds have started blinking. To make it 0, press right side top button. As you see here, it makes 0. If I do it again, see? So in this way you can adjust second. Now to adjust minute and hour, press right side down button. Now the hour have started blinking. Again use this right side top button to go forward. 7, 8, 9, 10. In this way if you continue pressing, this is 12-hour format. And if you go pressing, then you can see here we have came to 24-hour format. It means if you want to change 12-hour and 24-hour format, simply adjust hour by pressing right side top button continuously, then it will go from 12-hour to 24-hour, and if you continue pressing from 24-hour, it will go towards 12-hour format. So this is how you can change the time format. Once you adjust time according to your format, now to adjust minute, press right side down button. So now you can see the minute have started blinking. Again use right side top button to go forward. So this is how you can adjust the time. Now to adjust date, again press right side down button. Now you can see here month is blinking. Press right side top button to go forward. So in this way you can adjust month. Now to adjust date, press right side down button again. You can see here 26 is blinking, 27, 28. Press right side top button to go forward. It's very easy to set time in this Skmei watch. Press right side down button again. You can see here the days of a week is blinking. That is Saturday now here. Press right side top button. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. In this way you can adjust days of a week. Once you adjust these all, time, date and days of a week, press left side down button. It will automatically adjust everything. Now to sync this analog time with digital, there is no such function. Simply pull out the crown outside in this way. Once you pull out this crown outside in this way, rotate this crown and adjust the time according to the digital time. You can see here it's 3-1. So 3-1 and now push it back. So this is how you can adjust analog and digital time together. If you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to my channel because I upload different watch related tutorial video over here. So thank you very much for watching till the end.